Thanks to our network of 8 warehouses across the nation, Visible is able to reach 99% of the population of the contiguous United States within 2 days, all without additional cost. We move over 100,000 freight loads every year. With decades of freight brokering experience under our belts, we have the knowledge, the carrier pool to get freight where it needs to be, anywhere on the planet. And in addition, we do it economically, securely, and in the tightest of time frames, regardless of the origin, destination, or contents of the shipment. As with everything Visible does, we are never just a vendor, but a true partner. Our enhanced industry-leading customer service lets you reclaim your time, save on your workforce costs, and do what you do best. And customer service here doesn't mean some call center overseas. Day or night, you can reach a real live person on our team. Maintaining regular communication with you at all time, your dedicated Visible team won't just work to improve your freight bill, but your overall efficiency and productivity too. We handle any and all freight complexities and conflict resolution, giving you peace of mind. We are a World Cargo Alliance member, and internationally, we have relationships with virtually every airline and at all seaports. For ocean freight, we offer risk and compliance assessment, insurance coverage, supplier vendor monitoring, PO management, and 3PL consolidation services. Our multi-carrier solutions give you access to 5,000 land, air, and ocean freight transporters, allowing us to tailor a logistics solution that helps you maintain your brand's promises and values, perfectly matching your specific needs relative to price, speed, and customer service. Not being beholden to one supplier, no matter what you need to move, we can always find you the right carrier at the right price. Our proprietary transportation management system ensures everything is exactly where it should be, when it should be. And to help everything flow even more smoothly, we have years of extensive U.S. customs brokerage expertise. We offer the full gamut of services and expert consultation to expedite customs clearance and manage duty and compliance obligation. We are the only choice to handle your logistics because we can take all of the issues off your plate and allow you to concentrate on what you do best.